Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you do, be sure to hit that bell notification button to get notified when I do a giveaway or release a new video. On this video here, I want to share with you a 1945 Canada 5 cents Victory nickel. This nickel here has a mint run of 18,893,216 produced. Its alloy is steel coated with nickel and chrome plated. It weighs 4.54 grams, has a diameter 21.3 millimeters. The engraver is Thomas Shingles. Its edges are smooth and it is magnetic due to its steel count. To help promote the war efforts, this new design consists in a central V, meaning both victory and the face value with the inscription cents, underneath flanked by two maple leaves, on which is superimposed a torch with on both sides a part of the year and above in the inscription Canada. Around the rim of this coin is Morse code, meaning we win when we work willingly. The portrait in left profile of King George VI is surrounded with an inscription in Latin, meaning King George VI, by the grace of God, the King and Emperor of India. As you can see here, this coin has been circulated. This is one of the better ones that I have. A lot of them these days, the back of the coin of King George are scratched up. As this was the end of World War II and demand for copper and zinc was high, 5 cents coins of 1945 and 1944 were produced in steel coated with nickel chrome plated. Only a small amount of 5 cent coins of 1944 and 1945 were not chrome plated. These coins are differentiated by their dollar appearance. If you like videos like this, educational videos on a coin, let me know down in the comments. As always everyone, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribing is a fantastic way for you to make sure you don't miss out on my future content and giveaways. A like, a share, and a subscribe will go a long way to help me grow my channel bigger and better so I can make more content for you. Until the next video, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you then.